Guangzhou Mingyue Packaging Machinery Company Limited is a professional machine factory in Guangzhou City, which is mainly engaged in the research and development, design, manufacture, and sale of packaging machines. Pharmaceutical equipment line. The management motto of our company is develop through quality. Strive for survival through quality. Company specializing in the production of pharmaceutical equipment line and full automatic packing machine, such as grinder machine, dryer, high-efficient mixing machine, tablet press machine, blister packing machine, capsule filling machine, counting machine, tablet sachet packing machine, candy packing machine, and so on. Scope of business involves food, pharmaceutical, chemical, pesticide, hardware, toys, and other industries. Supporting strong can be adapted to the needs of different users. Our machine can be made according to clients' demand, and the machines have obtained CE certification. OEM and ODM are also welcomed. The company in good faith-based customer-first, people-oriented science and technology as the first principle, common development with customers, the implementation of product warranty for 1 year, lifelong service to provide staff training, technical advice, processing, packing, after-sale repair and maintenance for customers, long-term supply of equipment, spare parts, and other customer service project. User demand is our pursuit. We are committed to provide satisfactory customer service, quality of service for users. Welcome to inquiry and visit our factory.